Hey guys and girls, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on HOT token. The Holo token has surged more than 250% since after the mid of March when we had the severe drop when all the markets were moving down from Feb to March. Now, after that bullish rally of 250%, the price action has started a correction rally. So in today's video, we will try to understand where the price action can go, and furthermore how much it can be dropped in the future. First of all, I would like to share with you this chart that I posted on January 3rd when the price action of HOT formed a complete shark pattern, and we will also watch the different simple moving averages as well. And I would like to share this very important move of the price action on this Ichimoku cloud. And at the end of this video, I would like to share with you Bullish Cipher pattern, and the final leg is being formed at this time. First, if I take you to the coin market cap, then we can see that this HOT token is ranked at 73 position out of more than 2,300 cryptocurrencies and tokens. So this is really very strong project among the top 100 cryptocurrencies at this time. First of all, I would like to share this chart with you that I shared on January 3rd when the price action completed the formation of a bullish shark pattern on this 2-day chart. This was the initial leg, and A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then B to C leg has been projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. You can see that the exact projection is 1.149, and the final leg was retraced up to 0.886 to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement. So this was the Fibonacci, as per Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, this was the potential reversal zone, and I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish shark pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from here. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see now the price action turned really very strong bullish and produced more than 62% bullish rally and dropped down, and the price action even broke down this potential reversal zone again, and at this time the price action is moving up. If we watch this pattern, this movement of the price action on the daily chart, then we can see that since after the drop of March, when all the markets were moving down, the price action of HOT token also moved down, and after the mid of March, the price action started a bullish rally, and from this low up to this high, it recovered almost 250%. So this was a 250% really very powerful bullish rally. And I have placed the Bill Williams 3 lines on this chart, and this is also called the Bill Williams Alligator Indicator. This green one is the smallest simple moving average with the time period of 5, and this red one is the bigger one that is with the time period of 8, and the biggest simple moving average is with the time period of 13. This green one, the smallest simple moving average, is called the lips of the alligator. This red one is called teeth, and this blue one is called jaw. So whenever the smallest simple moving average moves above all the simple moving averages, and we have the biggest simple moving average below all the simple moving averages, then it is called that the alligator has opened its mouth, and that is a really very strong bullish and buying signal. And we can see that on 1st of May, this alligator mouth was opened when the highest price level was 0.003634, and the price action moved up all the way at this level up to 0.006872. So this was a really very big bullish rally, and now the price action, this alligator mouth is closed because we have the smallest time period moving average that with the time period of 5 is below all the moving averages. Then we have the teeth, then we have jaw above all the moving averages, and the alligator mouth was closed on 19th of June. And if we watch the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 200 and 100 on this daily chart, then the price action has broken down all these simple moving averages, the 25, 50, and when the alligator mouth was getting closed, at that time the price action was breaking down this 200 simple moving average strongest support. Now we can expect a further downward move up to this level that is almost at 0.0045 level. That is the 100 simple moving average. Now if we want this Ichimoku cloud on the same daily chart, then on this live chart we can see that the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud has finally crossed down the candlesticks, and crossing down the price line is really a bearish signal by the Ichimoku cloud. And if we watch the conversion line, this is the bullish line, the conversion line, the blue one, and this brown one is the baseline, that is the bearish line, then the conversion line has crossed down this bearish line, this baseline. Therefore this is another bearish signal, and you can observe that this bear cross has been formed almost above the candlesticks. So if you have found this bear cross above the price line, then that is another bearish signal. At this time the price line after this bear cross has reached up to this support of this cloud, and there is possibility that the price action will cross down this cloud. And once this price action will cross down this cloud, then we can see at this time the cloud is getting squeezed. Soon it will be turned bearish like it was turned here, and once it will be turned bearish, so it will become a strong resistance for the price line, and it will be difficult for the price line to cross up this cloud. Now finally I would like to share with you this really very good move by the price action of HOT, and that is the bullish cipher move on the 2-day chart. This is the initial leg, and A to B leg has been retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Here we can see that it has exactly retraced up to 0.579 Fibonacci retracement level. Then B to C leg has been projected between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci retracement level. That is the second confirmation for the bullish cipher, and this is the projection of A to X leg, and you can see that it is retraced exactly 1.278 Fibonacci projection. And C to D leg as per bullish cipher should be retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, and this is the retracement level of X to C leg. And at this time the price action is moving down and completing this final leg of this bullish cipher pattern. And this potential reversal zone of this bullish cipher pattern, where the leg is completed, starts from $0.00045 to $0.00038, and this is the maximum extent of this bullish cipher pattern. And this $0.00045 is the same level where we have the 100 simple moving average support on the daily chart. So there will be strong chances when the price action will reach up to this level, it will take a bullish reversal from this level using the support of 100 simple moving average very easily, and it will reach up to this level. This is the Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, and as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish cipher pattern, the price action should enter in this Fibonacci projection of C to D leg that starts from $0.00050 and ends up to $0.00062. So it's if we take it as a single trade, for example, for the day trader or for the regular trader, the people who want to buy it here and sell it here, it can be up to 63%, really very big profit move. So however, we can expect that once the price action will be able to cross up this level, that is the 0.786 Fibonacci projection, that can be the really very big and strong hurdle and resistance for the price line. And once the price action will be able to cross up this level, then definitely HOT can continue this bullish rally that was started since after the mid of March. So we can expect that after this bullish reversal, even though the price action will take a powerful bullish divergence up to a 63% bullish move, but I'm expecting more than that. So this was the update so far by the price action of HOT. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.